We are so successful and so close as a classroom community that when you're in this room, it doesn't feel like school. My name is Jackson Ostwanek, and I'm the executive producer of MHSNews and The Messenger.
My name is Kavya Jain, and I'm the co-editor-in-chief of The Messenger.
I'm Marta Mias, and I'm the co-editor-in-chief for The Messenger. We work with editors and writers to put together a publication online and in print.
I'm kind of the head of multimedia, which in our program means video, podcasts, photography, infographics. MHS News and The Messenger are kind of considered as sister publications and productions, so we really try to work with each other.
We basically just lead the process from brainstorming to publishing and designing. So it's just everything in between and just working with people.
We use all professional grade equipment and programs, so we use Canon cameras, we have great microphones, tripods, professional lighting. The programs, we use the Adobe Suite, which is used all over the country, all over the world to create videos, use Photoshop to edit photos, InDesign, which is how we create the paper itself. We have the tools and the combined knowledge to explore and have the time to figure things out and be creative and learn by doing.
In newspaper, you leave the class, you go talk to people, you go take pictures.
We are the people running the class and deciding what's happening.
So we start by obviously getting people together, just starting the day, checking in with people, laying out hey, these are our deadlines.
We might do a fun activity just to keep the spirits up.
Editors can be on computers laying out. If there's an issue coming up, people are out and about interviewing, typing up their interviews if they already have them.
It truly brings the power back into the hands of the people, because as a journalist, you have the freedom to write what you want to write. And I think you can talk about the issues that matter to the people and the inequalities that we haven't been addressing.
Whenever we win something or a teacher congratulates one of the reporters on great work, that feels so great to me, because I know whatever we've done has influenced someone in such a positive way that they felt the need to respond and voice that we've kind of helped change their mood or their perspective on something.
I feel like every issue is a success. Being able to come together as one and seeing our work in our hands.
It's so gratifying.
Are you interested in joining a newspaper or broadcast staff? Talk to your counselor or visit www.marquettemessenger.com to learn more today.